Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Shinen. Welcome. So I am a key influencer for PinchMe.com. If you guys not familiar with PinchMe, I will give you guys a little background about them in a few. But PinchMe was so sweet enough to email me and ask me to do an unboxing for you guys. I'm not getting paid for this video or anything like that. This is just a completely free review. Don't have to pay for anything, no credit cards required or anything like that. All it asks from you is to have like a social media platform where you could do the review for them. All of those things here are sample size. PinchMe lets you try products from leading brands completely for free. All they ask is for your feedback on the products. Every month a range of new free samples are released on PinchMe.com. For members to claim, this happens on a day called Sample Tuesday, usually the second Tuesday every month. These are brand name products for cleaning, beauty, professional care, pets, baby snacks, and much more. The service is available for everyone in the continental US. We cannot ship to other countries like Alaska or Hawaii. Regular members may receive a smaller box. Go onto the website and just sign up and they will send you free samples. I never heard of PinchMe.com, and when they reached out to me, I had to do my research just to make sure that if it was legit, but it is. I'll also put the link down below so you guys could check it out. And I did open it because I'm nosy. I wanted to see what I got, and I got some really cool stuff. So this is what the box looks like. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did mention that I got this box from PinchMe. Let me just show you guys what I got in here. I got a little few things. Some of the things here, I never used them before, especially those things for the face. First thing that I got is Band-Aid. I really appreciate this because my fingers always get cut. Because I work at an office and I always have to wear Band-Aid. This will come very handy. I got this Dove exfoliating body polish. The bottle is white, so you're probably not gonna see too much. This is a body bath. Scoop a generous amount of body polish with hand and spread all over your body. I did get a little Skittles in my packaging. Let me just open it. So we're gonna see how this tastes. Very sweet, but I like this. And this is new. Oh, I get a little burning. Woo. I love Skittles, but I love the chocolate one. It's like I can have jalapenos in it because it's burning. Oh my god, it's hot. I got this free sample hair products, and this is Eva NYC. So the first one, this is Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Primer is for your hair. I definitely gonna use this on my hair. So this is good for all hair type. This is, let me see. I'm gonna test everything out. This smells good. The next one, this is a therapy session hair mask. This have argan oil, protein, and it's also good for all hair type. So you deeply condition, repair, and strengthen hair. Oh, this smells so good. I wish this was a lotion. I would have put this in my bag for tomorrow. Like, seriously, it smells so good. You sure this is a mask? And the last for the hair product, so this is a dry hair shampoo. Well, I used to use dry shampoo all the time when I had long hair, and now that I have short hair, sometimes I really don't like to wash my hair, and I do use dry shampoo. I know it's kind of funny, but I do. Not all the time I like to wet my hair, so this is gonna come handy. This is a refreshing up dry shampoo. It cleanses without water, absorbs excess oil, and keeps hair fresh longer. And it's for all hair type. I'm not gonna spray it in my hair, I'm just gonna spray it on my hand. Oh yes, woo, this smells, oh wow. This is the first time I smell a dry shampoo that smells so good. So these are the other two samples that I'm gonna share with you guys. So this is the all-in-one Biore Free Your Pores Baking Soda. And this is great for combination skin. So this is a baking soda Maricula water. You could take off your makeup. No need to rinse. Oil free. And this is another one for oily skin. So this is to remove your makeup and deep cleanse. Probably will use this in another video. And these are all the products that I got from this sample box. Really excited to try all of them, and I will try them. I'm about to eat that Skittles because the Skittles taste so good. If you are interested of getting a free box from PinchMe.com, please go online and sign up, and you will get your box. Everything is completely free. You don't have to use your credit card. You don't have to pay for shipping or anything like that. Thank you guys so much, and thank you again to PinchMe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.